So I thought, also as a kid, growing up, I had a learning disorder. And I didn't find out what that learning disorder was until I was 35 years old. And with that point of me growing up, they put me in special education. And being in special education, being a shy kid on top of it, it made me feel like I was a lost kid, right? Because people didn't know how to help me. And I knew, but people didn't know, you know. And so at 35 years old, I got caught off guard, you know. I decided to do one thing one day in front of some people, and when I did it, they actually told me, you read this the wrong way, right? So I looked at the sign, it was a karate sign, not because it was a karate word. I felt like I could read this word, because I'm always doing karate. So I felt like I could step out and say this in front of the person, and the person would go, oh, Billy's pretty smart, right? But really, when I read the sign backwards. I left words out of the sign, so I found out at that time, at 35, I had dyslexia. And having dyslexia and being shy on top of it made me feel like I was in prison.